Hey, welcome back to my channel. This is E. Chang or Eric C. I wanted to do a project today because I wanted to see if this stuff actually works. I bought this because, as you can see here, it's called Steel Stik by JB Welds, and I have some metal, like I have a metal cage, and I want to see if I can sit here and fix this. We got this cage for free, so you can see it's like kind of like loose right here. And I want to fill that stuff in, maybe reinforce it. And there's another little one right there in the corner right there. So I'm going to try putting it on, see if this stuff actually works, and see if this stuff is worth buying. And if it does work, I want to tell you guys I would recommend buying this stuff and applying it for your metal application. So I'm going to start with that. Okay, so I've opened it up. As you can see here, this is the stuff. I just popped the cap off this thing, and it looks like it comes off. Hold on a sec. It comes like in two different colors, as you can see. That's my dog. And I'm going to just break off a little piece. Looks like putty. See, it's two different colors. Let's put this back on. Hopefully I'm not. Alright, so it tells you to start mending it, so that's what I'm doing. Hey dog, it's not food. So I guess you have to knead it together to get the right consistency, apparently, according to the directions. So I'm just using my hands. Probably should have worn some gloves, but like I said, I've never used this stuff before. Okay, I can see it's starting to turn a different color, more like the color of the inside of it. So it's going to take about 5 minutes to set, so it says. So ooh, I can feel it's starting to get warm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start putting some, how about I'm going to put it right here. So let me do that right now as we speak. So there you go. I've already kneaded it in. I can feel it. It's starting to get hard. That's not dirty, but I'm just saying. You can see, let it go now. So apparently it's going to last, it's supposed to cure in about an hour, so just make sure everything is done. And that is one part, so I got a lot to work with here. You can see all the little holes. Maybe I can touch up, fill it up, and then put another one right here. But as you can see, this is the cage. You can see it's really bad. So again, maybe touch it up, and as soon as I'm done, you can see the final result. I didn't do a really good job because, like I said, this is my first time doing this. But if you see here, when I just started putting it in, you can actually see that it actually was really warm to the touch. Actually still is. And what I'm going to need is I'm probably going to need another one. And just like putty or clay, I'm going to have to sit there and put more in here. They don't give you a lot, so just touched up a little bit on the sides, right here, just a few other places right here. And then I did try some up here, because literally there is like nothing here. So I'm going to have to probably try to reform that as well. But all in all, I would say, you know, you can see it right there. I even filled in some of the insides right there. But we'll see. Got to give it an hour to set. And if it works, you know, I would say buy, you know, use this stuff. But if it doesn't, you know, we'll see. Okay, this is like the third day. So I went to the store and bought another 2 more of those steel sticks. And as you can see, I've already put it right here and a little bit over here. And as you can see before, it was all hollow. So I just kind of filled it all in. There you go. And then, you know, if you want, you can always repaint it. That's what I'm going to do. But I just needed to fill it in because, like I said, it was rusty and there's a huge hole. And the other one is right over here. You can see there, I used that to fill that in because it was pretty much hollow too. So there you go. We'll see.